The suicide rate in the U.S. has gone up by 33% just between 1999 and 2017. That's according to a new study from the CDC. It is the highest it's been since 1942.
News 8's Mal Meyer is in our newsroom tonight with a look at the impact of those numbers locally. Mal?
Mike and Martha, the suicide rate continues to rise across the nation, and our area is no different. There are some signs to look for and ways to get help if you or a loved one need it. The number of suicides have fluctuated over the years in La Crosse County. In recent years, suicides peaked in 2014 with 26 deaths, according to the La Crosse Area Suicide Prevention Initiative.
Which is very concerning, and the numbers are still high.
The data from the county's coroner also show that more men than women completed suicide over the last 10 years.
Traditionally, men are at much greater risk for completing suicide, whereas women are more likely to attempt.
So how do you know if a loved one is considering suicide? Health experts say there are a number of possible signs.
Saying they're worthless, they're hopeless, they're a burden.
There are also a lot of misconceptions about suicide.
If someone talks about it, they're not really going to do it, and that really isn't the case.
She suggests people encourage a loved one to talk further about how they're feeling or ask them some questions.
Are you feeling down? Is there anything you want to talk about? Or saying the word, are you feeling suicidal?
These mental health care professionals say the most important thing is to get people the help they need when they need it the most.
If we can intervene when that crisis is at its highest and help people get through that short-term crisis, can make all the difference in the world.
Work is being done to better understand what leads to these suicide deaths in La Crosse County. Blumentritt says the coroner's office is studying the risk factors prior to death to prevent more suicides moving forward. Mike and Martha?
Thanks a lot, Mal. And if you feel like someone you know is in need of urgent help, maybe they're threatening to hurt or kill themselves, make sure you call 911.
And another option is to call 211. The local representatives can help you or a loved one find the resources they need.